This day came around quickly. Right, I'm a bit more presentable now. I sound dead. Somehow I've managed to get freshers flu before freshers. I need to print off some things like before I go. I went on Pinterest last night and found a load of pictures that I want to stick on my wall. I also need to print off my television pitch ideas, prep work before I started. Then I think I'm ready to move out. I don't like saying that, it's so weird. I'm so excited, but obviously it's so weird to be moving out of home.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking why the card the June blues? Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
I've arrived at my flat and this is what it looks like. All the bags are on the bed so far, but it's very nice. And if you look out the window, you can see the sea all the way over there. And yes, so we have moved in. Oh, it went all black. So it took 2 trips up, but we are here now, so I'm going to set you up while we sort my room out.
June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to.
Hi guys, I have my box that I got with the uni, and so now I shall open it. Oh, praise the Lord. There's food in it. I'm so hungry. Fried noodles. A blueberry muffin bar, which I don't know if I'll like, but I'm gonna eat it anyway. A Red Bull. I've never had a Red Bull, so I'm gonna be bouncing off the walls after that one. I think it's like a mystery cola. Oh, is it? I'm supposed to guess what it is. Oh, it's starting to slip out.
I'm guessing Red Bull.
So we're gonna play the Guess Who game. I can't open it. I'm not a connoisseur of fizzy drinks. That's it. So I probably won't be able to guess, but should do a little ASMR.
It all goes over your lens.
How satisfying. It smells like Coke and I don't like Coke. I think it probably is, but is it Coke or is it Pepsi? Oh, maybe that's it. Can you guess whether it's Coke or Pepsi? Let's guess. My guess is Pepsi. Oh, look at that. Wasn't I right?
Never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli.
I don't remember which one of my friends said this. I think it may have been you, Polly, if you're watching. That I should probably vlog because something was bound to happen on my first day. Well, we went into the kitchen, started unloading stuff, and of course I decided to open the fridge. Opened it, and as soon as I opened it, someone's mayo fell out, and I shattered the lid off the mayo. And it's just so typical because of course it happened to me. So we're going food shopping now. I'm probably going to replace it, but yeah, that's the update.
Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up.
I'm not going to talk particularly loudly, but I've moved in. There's not been tears yet. I don't know whether there'll be any. But my parents left a while back. I felt really anxious more than anything. I couldn't eat properly. But we sat down and chat, and we sat down and like spoke for like a couple hours. Played some poker. Then the others cooked, but I ate at like 4, so I wasn't hungry. We're going out, I think, in 20 minutes to like a bar or something, or like the clubs, I don't know. But it's so freaking hot because we're like on the 11th floor, so the heat is rising the whole way up the building. Oh my god, it's so hot. But other than that, it's okay. But I'm currently in my bathroom. I had a leak in the toilet earlier.
Now when I drive around, don't feel it.
But I went down and like spoke to reception, and they sent a plumber up, and it's all fixed now, so that's good. I believe it's fixed. But yeah, that's all I've got to update so far.
Later that same evening.
So it's currently 4 o'clock in the morning. We went out clubbing, like I said. The clubs are so much better than they are where I live. Like then we're home down with the exhaustion that I'm experiencing, and like just being so dang tired. Comes a lot of emotion, and I am quickly feeling great. Like I get on with everyone, and everyone's really lovely, but I think it's just so jarring for me because it's different. Like I've been put in a place by myself, and I've got to like start over, make new friends, and I don't know, I just find that really difficult. Sometimes I feel I'm not ready to at all. Yeah, but yeah, that's the situation. So I will see you tomorrow, where I will end the vlog and give you an update.
The very next evening.
This may actually be where I ended the vlog yesterday, and I was quite upset. I did cry last night, and I nearly cried this morning, but today has been so much better. Everyone's moved in now, which I think helped a lot, and we've spent more time with each other. Like we spent the whole day together. It was nice to just sort of like chat, and people invited like their friends over. So I definitely think we bonded much better, so much more comfortable now, and excited about the future with my flat and my friends. And I don't know, I just think, I don't know, I feel much better. So this is exactly why I didn't want to end the vlog yesterday. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry about the amount of whispering that's